So today we're going to test the new recirculating drip system. So what you got is your MK2 pump. I believe that's a 25 water. You got quick connect. Got those from More Beer. And water comes in the hose, spin, shoot back out. And there you go. It's gonna be great. So then it's gonna go in, do the shuffle, go up into the kettle, and then it drips into the kettle, falls down on top of the grain that's in the kettle. We'll go through the filter and come back out, and then back out, and back into the situation at hand. That's how it's going to be. The one concern that I have is that when the water comes out of the bottom of the kettle, goes through the pump, and then goes back up into the top of the mashing tun, that the holes on top of the what do we call this thing? The holes are on top. If the water pressure is too strong, I'm afraid it could shoot water out the top. Might need a lid. I don't know. Because then what would happen? I'd be like, that'd be bad. Might have to do something about that. Temporary lid, maybe. We'll see. So if this does decide to volcano out the top, put a little plastic cover. It'll help minimize the squirtage and the loss. So I guess we'll see what happens. Okay, looks like we're ready for the big test. Gonna add, I have 1 gallon of water in here. I'm gonna add a 2nd gallon of water. And while I do that, I guess I'll do this in a second. So that should be about 2 gallons just up above the spigot. Looks like it's close. Let's do this. I'm going to open this up so I could prime my pump. Looks like it's going to prime, I guess. I don't see any water because the hose is not see-through. Wonder if I should add a little more water just to be safe. Alright, let's do that. Okay, here comes the moment of truth. I've added some water, so I got about 2.5 gallons. It's somewhere in this level area covering my spigot. Open this flow. Theoretically, I got water going through my pipe. My pump is lower, so gravity self-primes the pump, which is good. Problem with not having clear hose is you don't know, but it's got to be. Feels like there's water in there. And then you can see as I squeeze it, the water is here. So it's definitely primed the pump. So we're good there. No leaks right here so far. That's good. No leaks on my hoses. That's good. Alright. I got the plug plugged in. And I'm just going to flick this switch right there. And this should pump. And we'll see if it makes a volcano or not. Here we go. A noisy one. It's not shooting out the top. It is favoring the back side a little bit. Let me just show you what's going on here. It's working! Huh, looks like success. Kind of stoked. Didn't volcano out the top. No hose leaks. Got control. See, I'm ready to start brewing. Let's do it. Thanks, Curtis. Here you see the joys of having a spigot. So easy. Drain away. Now, this is just magic water, but when you do the magic shambhala, this magic water, which is really expensive, turns into beer. So I'm saving the magic water to reuse for the magic part when it becomes beer, so it becomes beautiful. Good magic water is hard to find.